Want to sew along with me and Sulky of America on New Year's Eve? I'd like to invite you to a virtual New Year's Eve party hosted by Sallie Tomato and Sulky. Sew along with us and friends around the world as we count down to the new year. During this live virtual event, we'll create a new exclusive project from start to finish, where you'll learn tips for embroidery, deco stitches, and sewing with zippers and faux leather. Also, throughout the night, you'll have the chance to win some amazing door prizes. The theme of this year's event will be travel. The project, embroidery, and virtual event will all follow the theme. The project that we'll be making, I designed with beginners in mind. It's a brand new pattern named Smith. The Smith organizer can function as an everyday essentials case or even a large wallet. This sleek organizer is useful for creatives, business professionals, travel enthusiasts, students, or anyone who wants to organize their tech accessories and office essentials. Carry as a clutch or store inside a backpack, carry-on, or swap between other bags. Unfold the organizer to access a padded tablet pocket, cord, pen, and card holders, large pockets, and a journal holder. Let me introduce you to Ellen March from Sulky of America, where she is going to share some special news and some sneak peeks.
Hi everyone, I'm Ellen March with Sulky of America. I'm super excited to partner with Sallie Tomato for another New Year's Eve sew-along event this year. I'll be handling the embellishment portion of the evening, and that means machine embroidery. The fine folks at Urban Threads and Embroidery Library are also joining in on the fun. They're providing 5 machine embroidery designs to each person who registers for the event. You'll get 2 Urban Threads designs, 2 Embroidery Library designs, and 1 exclusive design digitized for this event. I have a few sneak peeks to share with you here. We have some really cool nature-inspired designs, and a couple of butterflies, but you'll see more the day of the event. I'll give you tips and tricks for stabilizing faux leather to prevent buckling and puckering, needle and thread recipes for success, and more. If you don't have embroidery capabilities on your sewing machine, I'll take you through a cool technique for adding fun thread effects to your project using a standard sewing machine. We'll add stitching to the flap, zipper pocket, and even the strap closure, so you have loads of options for personalizing the project. I hope you'll join us at noon Eastern Time on New Year's Eve, right here at sewingonline.sulky.com.
So as you can see, we're very excited for this event, and there's so much to look forward to. We have complete kits available with all of the fabrics, threads, and essential notions that you'll need to create the project so you're ready to sew with us on New Year's Eve. Be sure to grab a kit soon so you have it in time for the event. Let's all welcome the new year together while making a useful project to start your new year off right, ready for organization and travel. Register for the event today and invite your friends too. See you on New Year's Eve!